Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Create with Tina. Today I am excited to share a sneak peek of my brand new kit called Made with Love. It's an 8-page scrapbooking kit, and I wanted to give you a quick peek of what the pages look like, what a pre-cut kit comes with, and also let you know that I do offer PDF tutorial guides for all of my scrapbooking kits that I make. So for people that don't want a pre-cut kit but would like to just cut their own and put it together, I do create guides, and I thought I would go over that a little bit today. So let's talk about the kit. The kit is an 8-page scrapbook kit, and I tried to make it in a non-Valentine's Day theme, which you will see in a little bit. Now the kit does come with this sticker sheet. It's 12 by 12, and it's cardstock weight, so it's substantial in how you can use the stickers. You can peel them off, add dimensionals, and you can get a lot of visual interest on your page because they are cardstock weight. So you can also ink the edges of them, lots of things you can do. So this sticker sheet is included in the kit. These are the guides. I'll talk about those in a minute. And then I wanted to kind of give you a sneak peek of the pages, but another thing I wanted to show you is that if you do get a pre-cut kit, it does come with all of your Cricut pieces pre-cut for you, ready to use, including custom made Cricut titles that I made to make it easy for you guys to put your pages together. Now, if you were to just get the PDF tutorial, it does come with the Design Space file link so that you can cut those out on your Cricut, and all of the images are free, so there would be no purchases necessary for that. Okay, so let's talk about the kits. One of the reasons why my kits have evolved over the years is because I've heard from so many people that they want speed. They want to get their pages done, but they don't want to spend hours trying to come up with the design or to come up with cutting it all and to coordinate all of the papers together. So that's where my kits came about. And I just like to give you guys a sneak peek of them. Now this one you can see, even though this kit clearly seems like a Valentine's Day kit, I made this one a baby page, said sweet little one, you are loved, so that you could scrapbook lots of baby photos. And I have combined the Cricut cuts with the stickers around the page. And another thing you'll notice is I give a lot of pages, a lot of space for photos in my kits. I know that we have a lot of pictures we like to scrap, and you want your pictures to be the focal point, so that is something I focus on my kits. Now here is another page. This one you'll see it says then, and the second page says now, and there are it's not Valentine's theme at all, it's just then and now, and that could be anything. So there you go, you see the two titles I made on the Cricut that you're going to use, and lots of spaces for all of your photos. Okay, that's layout 2, and then layout number 3, we are calling this Such a Fun Day, and it can be a theme for anything around a day that you did out. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day at all. And then you can see again here I have combined the stickers with the Cricut cuts just to give you some extra visual interest. And then I love how this title is vertical on the page, okay? And more of the stickers and the Cricut cuts kind of combined together. And then the last page, again, this is just sneak peeks for you, is called Time with You, and these are Cricut cuts again that coordinate with the stickers, and your title is all ready to go. And as I've talked about in some of my other videos, if you haven't seen them, a lot of times I will use the DSP as the base of my scrapbook page because it will reduce bulk in your album. It's definitely not as thick as cardstock. So if you have a lot of pages and you get a lot of albums, using DSP will help to reduce that. Now, I talked about my guides. I do create guides every month, and I do offer them free with a purchase of $25 from my Stampin Up website if you would rather do that than get a pre-cut kit. And they come with a cutting guide, and let me flip it that gives you an idea of how the cutting guides look. Okay, so a color-coded cutting guide that shows you all the actual measurements, how I put my guides together, including the Cricut cut. And then you do get full page instructions for every layout in the kit. All right, now I'll talk about one thing I haven't talked about too much is where to find my kits. And that was brought to my attention. I always say there's a link at the bottom of the video, but I thought I would show you that my website is scrapbookworkshopkits.com, and when you open it, this is the front page, and you can click view all to see all of the available kits, okay? And they're going to come up like that. And if you click on them, it will go through all of the pictures in all of the kits. And I have quite a few new ones up here. And then I'm going to go back, and something else you might not know is that I have a free scrapbook sketch right here. If you fill out this form, I will send a free scrapbook sketch to you by email. So that is another thing. But I won't spend a lot of time on this. I just wanted to answer the questions that I got of, well, where do we find it? I know you say you have a website, but we haven't really seen it. So I just pulled it up on here. And then the other thing is, if you did want to go to my website, it's tina.stampinup.com. And I mean tina.stampinup.net, and you can shop there and place a $25 order. Let me see if I can get it to open. Here we go. That's my website, and I will send you the PDF tutorials. I have PDF tutorials for every kit that you guys saw on that on this website. PDF tutorials for everything listed. So just feel free to message me if you have any questions. All right, so as you know, I talked about in another video that when I do a pre-cut kit, everything comes pre-cut and ready to go, okay? And they're all bagged together. I'm getting ready to do a video with this one, so it's out of the bag, but all the pieces come pre-cut and labeled like this along with your embellishments. And then the Cricut cut comes in its own bag. So all right, I think that's everything that I wanted to show you guys, just to give you a quick sneak peek of my scrapbook kit. I hope you guys like it. That it is not a Valentine's Day theme, even though the papers clearly look like they are Valentine's. You can do a lot of different things. The baby layout happens to be, where is it? Oh, everything's kind of tucked together. One of my favorites, but please leave a comment and let me know what you think of this kit, if you have any questions at all. And I'm curious how many of you actually use pre-cut scrapbook kits to get more scrapbooking done. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye.